students, good morning viewers. Welcome back NCERT online. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher, and I always come back this types of educational video. So stay with your teacher. Student, last day we discussed about question answer of our chapter A Little Fish Story, and today we are going to discuss about some grammatically portion. That's why I written here competency grammar and competency TLO. We are going to know about past tense, that means second form of verb. Actually, in our book, page number 40, we have some question. You can see this. I write here, look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. In your book, there is written, page number 40, in your English book, word building, that means you need to make new words. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. And first word is written here, look, looked. Actually, why I write past tense? It is look, when we add ed, it is turned to past tense. That's why I write here past tense. And it is also second form of verb, because it is first form, it is second form. Okay, so let's write the another word also. Okay. Firstly written look, then next word is written here peak. You need to add only ed to turn its second form. Okay, because here is written pattern, so you need to write this same pattern. Then next word is bark. Okay, you can write the answer very easily because it is very easy. Then want, then some another word also, talk, then wish. In our book story, there is some word. After this I will write this word also, pool. Then another word is help. Student, you can give this answer very easily because it is very easy for you. You know that very well. Look, look. That means here is peak. So it is obviously peaked. Bark, barked. On, wanted. Talk, talked. Wish, wished. Pull, pulled. Help, helped. So you can write also, but also follow this class, follow the board. I will write the answer. You also note down with me. Okay. Peaked. P-I. You only add ed. Okay. Then barked. Then wanted. Wanted, then talked, then wished, then pulled, then helped. Note down with me. I will give some times for note down properly. So note down at first. The outside it is heavy raining, so rain sound is also coming. But inside is very hot temperature. Note down properly. Look, looked, pick, picked, bark, barked, want, wanted, talk, talked, wish, wished, pull, pulled, help, helped. Note down this because in the page number 40 we have another question. We need to write this one also. Okay, I hope all of you note down. Student, if you can't note down with me for shortest time, no problems. In description box in this video there is a Telegram channel link. You can join and then download all of the PDF file from there. Okay, so don't worry. Can I wrap this? Okay, you note down it. Okay, thank you. So I will wrap. And when you watch this video, you watch properly up to last, because in whole of the class I will provide more question, not only 1, 2. So note down all of the question and answer. Okay, and if you face any problem, if you have any question, if you like this video, you can share, you can subscribe. Okay, and you can comments also in comment box. Student, then in our book, the question number 2 is here. Fill in the blanks with the right words from the box. There is some word, we can say this, there is some word, it is hints, and there is some fill in the blanks. You need to fill in these blanks from choose the word, correct word. Yeah, okay. So I'll write the question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the right, sorry, not this right, right word from below, because below there is below word is not there, but I will write here below. Why? Because the hints word is there, that's why. No problems, you can write below, you cannot write, it is no problem. First word is paper, then flowers. Student, note down with me, and if you want you can note down later, so you need to watch it again, no problems. You can watch more times, that's why you can remember very easily. And I hope if you listen my when I discuss, if you listen carefully, you can give the answer very easily. Student, this is hints box. Then we have first question, a glass of dash. We can write like this, a glass of dash. We can give this answer very easily. At first I will write some points, then we will write answer. Then number next is a box of, then I have a space, so I can write number 3 also. Sorry, in our book A is small letter, but you can write capital letter also. A sheet of, okay, at first write this 3 on. Student, you can give this answer very easily. We know that a glass of water, because water is also here, so we need to write the answer, a glass of water. Then a box of, box is always related with different types of box. So here maths box, we know that about maths. So a box of maths, M-A-T is yes. Sorry, is like that. Mass. Then a sheet of paper. We know that always we said that a sheet of paper, a paper sheet. Okay, so a sheet of paper. This is we have another 3 points. So I will give you some time for note down. Please note down this properly. It is very hot temperature, but outside is raining. Note down it properly, student. Next class, I am come back with some spelling types question, new worksheet. So stay with this channel. Okay. You can share this video with your friends so they can got the class regularly. Okay. I hope all of you note down. Okay. And come back. We have another 3 question. So can I wrap this? Okay. You note down very quickly. So thank you. Okay. Our next question is a bunch of, there is 3, then number 4, A bunch, a bunch of dash, then number 5, a yard of dash. Actually, student, this portion is not past tense. This is another things. When it is together, then we say it is something another. A bunch of flowers. That means when more flowers will together, we say it always a bunch of flowers. Then here is written a yard. Yard means a yard of. We need to write the correct, a yard of cows. Okay. Actually, when more cows together, then it is said yard. Okay. Like that, when a cricket player, all player together, and football player together, we also said that team. A team of cricket player, a team of hockey player, a team of football player. Okay. So ये yard, oh sorry, and another question also, a pack of. So this is our 3 question. Then we need to write the answer. You can give this answer very easily because I discussed a bunch of flowers. Okay. Then a yard of cows. Then, so we already written paper, we already written flowers, we already written water, mass, cows. So we have one word is here, that is wolves. A pack of wolves. This is the world building number 2 question from our story, a little fish story, page number 40. Okay. Next class we will discuss some spelling question. So I hope it is very helpful for you. It is best class for you. So stay with your teacher and be happy. Okay. Thank you all of you. Bye bye. Note down this also. Okay.